In the past year alone, this nuclear stock has soared over 1300% and it is showing no signs of slowing down. Since my last video, we've already captured a 51% gain in under a month, and based on what I'm seeing now, that could just be the beginning. But here's the kicker, it's not the only one. In this video, I'm revealing 3 explosive stocks that early investors are jumping on right now, and each one has the potential to be a life-changing play. You do not want to miss this, so let's dive straight in. Starting with the first stock on our list, which is OKLO. It's currently trading around $83, and this is the stock that exploded over 1300% just last year. And the best part is there's still plenty of room to run. The momentum is far from over and we could absolutely see the price climb even higher from here. But how high could it go? We can break that down using the Fibonacci extension tool to map out the next possible targets, which looks like this. And the way this works is as the price starts climbing up, these levels of the Fibonacci are where we tend to see the price find resistance and retrace down from, before continuing on to the next Fibonacci target and so on. Knowing this, investors using this tool like to lock in some profits around these Fibonacci areas, which puts them in a good position to buy back at a discount if the price retraces. So based on this, what are some areas where we could see some strong resistance in the future and where you might want to consider taking some profits? The first price target for OKLO is going to be around here, which is $98.47. And the level above this is going to be around here, which is $148. So as the price is climbing up, locking in some profits as it gets to these Fibonacci areas could be an exit strategy you might want to consider. Exit strategies are very important as they enable us to make the most of runs like this and also give us opportunities to take profit before the price retraces. And the only thing worse than not taking profits up here is initially getting in here and watching the price plummet straight away. This does not feel good, but there are things we can do to reduce the chances of situations like this from happening. And one of the ways is to use the Fibonacci retracement tool to get some entry points. So I've just drawn the Fibonacci retracement on the screen and this is what it looks like. And the way it works is as the price starts retracing, these levels of the Fibonacci are where we tend to see the price find support before it bounces back up. Knowing this, investors using this tool like to either buy or dollar cost average down around these areas, which enables them to have an average entry price as close to the bottom of the retracement as possible. So based on this, what are some areas where you might want to consider getting into OKLO or potentially average down? The first entry point is going to be around here, which is $59.23. The level below this is going to be around here, which is $51.33. And the third entry point is going to be around here, which is $43.26. So if the price starts retracing, initially getting in at the higher Fibonacci level and dollar cost averaging down at the lower levels, if the retracement continues further, could be an entry strategy you might want to consider. Now if you're thinking, okay, these entry points and the price targets make sense, but I don't have the time to constantly keep an eye on the price to catch it when it hits these key areas, then don't worry because I've got a free solution for you. I've got this free service that you can sign up for and I'll send you alerts as soon as the price hits our entry points and also our price targets completely for free. The link to join this is in the description below, but don't worry about signing up now. Feel free to continue watching this video and I'll remind you about this at the end. So OKLO was the first stock on our list. Let's now take a look at the second stock, which is Nike, ticker symbol NKE. It's currently trading around $74 and also has the potential to go much higher from here. And to figure out how much higher, we can use the Fibonacci extension tool again, which looks like this for Nike. And some areas where we could see the price find strong resistance and where you might want to consider taking some profits are going to be the following. The first price target is going to be around here, which is $131. The level above this is going to be around here, which is $149, close to 150. And the third price target is going to be up here, which is $176. There are some price targets above these three as well, and I will talk more about these in future update videos as the price gets closer to these three targets. From the current price, we are looking at a 136% upside to this target, which is pretty good, but it can be even better if we can secure some cheaper entries. And to see what those are looking like, let's use the Fibonacci retracement tool again. So I've just added it to the chart here, and this is what it looks like. Right now the price is below a lot of these Fibonacci levels, so the current price is not a bad entry, but it can be even better if we can secure some entries closer to this Fibonacci level, which is $55.43. So Nike was the second stock on our list, and you've probably noticed that I'm using technical analysis to break these down. Some people trade based on the news, others like to focus on earnings, and then there are those like myself who stick to charts and indicators. There are lots of different ways to invest, but if you're wondering which strategy performs the best, the one that's given me the biggest edge is investing alongside key US politicians. Over the past few years, this approach has consistently outperformed everything else I've come across. When certain politicians make moves in the market, it often signals something bigger, and being able to track that has made a huge difference in my results. If you are curious about how it works, I put together this free video that walks you through the exact strategy I use, including real trade examples and the returns it's delivered over the last 3 years. The link to this video is in the description below, so feel free to check it out if you want to see how powerful this strategy can be. Coming back to the third stock on our list, which is Amazon.com, ticker symbol AMZN, is currently trading at $213 and has massive potential to go on an explosive run in the upcoming months. And we can use the Fibonacci extension tool for this as well to get some price targets. So this is what the extension tool looks like for Amazon, and some price targets where you might want to consider taking some profits are going to be the following. The first price target is going to be around here, which is $252. The level above this is going to be around $308. And the third price target is going to be up here, which is $399, very close to $400. So creating an exit strategy based on these levels could be something worth considering. And when talking about the exit side of things, we also have to talk about the entry side. To do that, let's take a look at the Fibonacci retracement tool. So this is what the Fibonacci retracement is looking like for Amazon, and some areas where you might want to consider getting in or averaging down are going to be the following. The first entry point is going to be around here, which is $197, and the level below this is going to be roughly around here, which is $186. So creating an entry strategy based on these two entry points could be something you might want to consider. I will be making update videos on these stocks as the price approaches our key Fibonacci levels. So if you'd like to stay up to date, consider subscribing to the channel. I'll also be bringing you the best investment opportunities multiple times a week, so that's another reason to subscribe. Also, if you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like on the video as that helps out the channel a lot. And if you'd like to learn how to profit like a politician, the link to this free video explaining everything is in the description below, so feel free to check it out if you're interested. As promised, this is your reminder to sign up for the free alerts. The link to join this is also going to be in the description below. It's worth mentioning I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Please make sure you do your own research and your own analysis before you make any investment decisions. If you have any thoughts on these three companies, or if you want to share any stocks that have been catching your attention recently, feel free to leave those down in the comment section below. Would be good to hear from you. And if you'd like to watch another video where I talk about what I'm planning to do in the upcoming months, then feel free to click on the video that's currently on your screen. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.